Good morning children. How are you all? Now I am going to take English language chapter 10 conditions and worksheet 3 plus revision 3. Now I am going to take English language chapter 10 conditions. Then worksheet 3 plus revision 3. Okay? Okay, all of you take your English language copy. Take your language copy, write down the heading chapter 10 conjunctions. Chapter 10 conjunctions. Definition. Question number 1. What are conjunctions? Answer is joining words are called conjunctions. Joining words are called. See, joining words which are and, but, or, so, because are some joining words. Joining words are called conjunctions. Joining words is and, but, so, because. It is the joining words. Okay. Then see the example. The crow searched for water because it was thirsty. Because is the joining words here we are using. Okay. See the example. The crow searched for water because it was thirsty. Joining words is because we are using this sentence. Because we are using. Joining words are called conjunctions. Some conjunctions are which one? And, but, or, so, because. It is a conjunctions. Okay. Shall I move book exercise? All of you take your English language book, page number 62. Take your English language book, page number 52. See B. Tick the correct conjunctions in the bracket. Tick the correct conjunctions in the brackets. First one, I like to draw and color. Tick color and. Okay, I like to draw and color. Okay, we were hurry so Mummy made some sandwiches. We were hungry so Mummy made some sandwich. So tick the so. Okay, then a squirrel is small but a cow is big. But it is the condition word. Then I put on my shoes and went out to play. And my brother and I go to the same school. And you have to tick and. Okay. Then C. Fill in the blanks using and, but, or, because. And, but, or, because. See first one. Suman and Aliyah are swimming. And a giraffe is a big, but a squirrel is a small. But is the answer. Then C. 3. Birds can fly because they have wings. Because is the answer. Then 4. There were yellow and red roses in the garden. And. Then 5. The lion was angry because the mouse disturbed his sleep. Because is the answer. Then 6. I love Akbar and Birbal stories because they are fun to read. Because is the answer. Then D. Join this sentence using and, because, or, but. Joining these sentences using and, because, or, but. First one, Mary cut the cake. Everyone sang for her. See, join these words. Mary cut the cake and everyone sang for her. And. Then second, John does not have a bicycle. He can borrow mine. See, answer is John does not have a bicycle, but is the answer. He can borrow me. Then 3. We boiled the potatoes. We made sandwich. Answer is we boiled the potatoes and made sandwich. Answer is and also. Then 4. I have an apple in my lunch box. I have an orange in my lunch box. Answer is I have an apple and an orange in my lunch box. I have an apple and an orange in my lunch box. Okay. Then 5. I need a raincoat. It is raining. Answer is I need a raincoat because it is raining. Because is the answer. Then page number 64, 6. Avi ran to school. He did not want to get late. Avi ran to school because he did not want to get late. Then 7. I ate bread. I ate jam. I ate bread and jam. Answer is I ate bread and jam. Okay. Then E. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. Use words from the box. Box it is and, so, but, or. And, so, but, or. Then you can write this sentence, this paragraph. See, Nisha has a pet pup. Her name is Silky. Nisha and Silky go to the park every day. Nisha likes to walk in the park, but Silky likes to run around. They play with a ball or a frisbee. Silky loves to play, so Nisha plays with her every day. Nisha and Silky love each other. Okay. It is the conjunctions. Conjunctions means joining words are called conjunctions. And example, some conjunctions are and, but, because, so. It is the conjunctions words. All of you do the exercise. Okay. Now, then page number 65, worksheet 3. See, worksheet 3. All of you take page number 63. Tick the correct adverbs in the bracket. This is worksheet only. Okay, adverb. Tick the correct adverb in the brackets. One day Harsh was playing outside with his friends. It started raining heavily. Bracket it is heavily. Started raining heavily and wisely. Okay, answer is heavily. Heavily. Answer is heavily. Okay. Then Harsh and his friends ran into the house. Grandma quickly, bracket it is quickly and politely. Answer is quickly helped them change into dry clothes. Then they sat quietly. Bracket it is quietly and neatly. But the answer is quietly near grandma. Grandma read out a story from a book. The children listened to the story happily. Bracket it is happily and sadly. But the answer is happily. They said, Grandma, you must read us a story every day. Okay. Then page number 66. See, B. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. See the prepositions. The children are sitting on a roof. There is a table near grandma. The food for Bruno is kept in a bowl. There is a bowl between grandma and Harsh. There are books on the table. It is prepositions only. Okay. Then do the exercise. Then see. Complete the paragraph using and, but, or because. And, but, or because conjunctions. And, but, or because you can use. The children ran into house because it was raining. Because. They sat on a rock and listened to a story. And. Bruno sat with them but did not understand the story. But is the answer. Because and but. Then D. Circle the correct conjunctions in the bracket. Circle the correct conjunctions in the bracket. Mother wanted an ice cream. Bracket it is because and so. But the answer is so. So he went to an ice cream shop. Mummy said that he would have a cup. Bracket because or. But answer is circle or a cone. Mother asked, may I have both? Because answer is circle. Because is circle. Then I love ice cream. Papa said you will get a tooth egg if you have so much ice cream. Okay, answer is circle. You should circle this one, so or because. Okay, circle so or because. Okay. Okay, then revision 3. Look at the pictures and circle the correct adverbs. See, grandpa walks happily. Adverbally, happily, tick happily. Karan quickly throws away the banana peel. Quickly. Okay, tick. Mummy serves tea longly. Lovingly. Okay, tick lovingly. Then 4. Grandma gladly has a biscuit. Okay, tick gladly. Okay, this is the answer. Then B. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. See, box it is loudly, easily, carefully, sweetly, brightly. You have filled here. Okay, then first one, Meha slows the pencil easily. 2. The sun shines brightly. The monkey chats loudly. The birds sing sweetly. Please cross the road carefully. Okay. Then page number 68. See, circle the prepositions in these sentences. Circle the prepositions. Put the cheese between the two slices of bread. Between. Circle between. Then 2. The river falls under the bridge. Under. Then 3. There are 3 eggs in the nest. In. Then 4. There is a mango tree behind my house. Behind is the answer. Then 5. There are cherries on the cake. On is the answer. Then D. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. First one, there is some juice in a jug. Same only. Then second, the cat hid behind the door. Then 3, the room is under the table. Then 4, there is a big market near my house. Then 5, the dog jumped over the fence. This is the answer. In, behind, under, near, then over. The last exercise for this lesson, see, revision, see, E. Circle the correct conjunctions in the paragraph. Radha switched off the light and went to sleep, and is the answer. Then it was not yet dark, but she was very tired. It had been an exciting day because her family had moved into a new house. Her room had a new bed and pretty curtains. Soon Radha was fast asleep and dreaming of fairies. And this one also is and that one also is and. Circle both. Okay, this is the book exercise worksheet 3 and revision 3. Then last exercise is only final exam. This much only for the final exam. Okay, all of you do the book exercise and fill in definition also you have to write in your copy and study well. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.